All right, so have you ever been in a situation where you have something that you know you need to improve? Something you know you need to take advantage of getting better, fine-tuning an edge, honing a craft. But it's something that you do pretty well already. So it's not a massive priority, or at least it doesn't feel like one. I get it. I've been there too. Hell, I was there this morning. Right? My name's Jim Padilla, and I had a situation today. Right? We run a pretty successful outsourced sales company. We're scaled, we're scalable. We've got a big team. We've got great exposure, great reputation, well known in the industry. We serve rock star clients. Right? We're happy. We're doing great. And there's certainly things we need to do better. We're planning on scaling. We're planning on massively scaling. And I've been getting invited to speak to, an industry icon. And the perspective was, let's just take a look at your business and see what we can help fine tune and pour gasoline on the fire. And quite honestly, it sounds very interesting. Just not the massive priority that I felt that it needed to be. So I was like, I kept tabling it. Been trying to get me in this conversation for almost 4 years. And I've been putting it off. Well, had an opportunity this morning to sit down. It's like, hey, look, I got 30 minutes. Just come and talk to me. Let's lay out your business. Let's look and see where I can help you with some things. It's like, okay, fine, let's do it. And even though I know he was a rock star, is a rock star, well ahead of where I am, does what I'm doing every single day, helps companies like mine every single day. I just felt like, you know what, I'm doing pretty good. It's not a massive priority. Right? You ever feel, again, am I hitting close to home here? Okay. Well, check this out. We sit down, that 30-minute conversation became an hour and 30 minutes. We were just riff. It was great conversation, great connection. We were just pouring in to opportunities and possibility. And I pointed out things that helped reaffirm some of the things that I was already doing really well. Laid out an incredible plan that collapsed timeframes. I would say guaranteed, literally, just took 5 years off of our success plan. We'll hit pay dirt in a way that we want to much quicker than ever planned, and open my eyes to some new possibilities that mind blown on several reasons. A, great ideas. B, kicking myself. Why didn't I do this sooner? Well, of course, it made me think of you. I have so many people who reach out, who want to help, want to get some help with their sales game, but not necessarily looking for a full-scale coaching program at the moment, but just want some help from an expert. And I've had many people ask, how do we date before we get married? How can I just get a taste of how you work and what it is to be in your world before we go all in with a massive investment? Totally get it. And so here's what we've come up with. Okay? We have created a membership group just for you. Just for you. Super accessible, simplicity, very cost effective, opportunity to date before married, get some help, get my sales brain on your business without having to go full scale with a coaching or working relationship. So we created a Facebook group called Influence, Sales, Scale, and Leverage. And it's all about those very things. Any question that you've got about sales, influence, scaling, and leverage, dump it in the group. We've got you surrounded with other phenomenal entrepreneurs who are in that same conversation. And my team is at your access, right? We'll be answering stuff in Facebook. We'll be dropping videos in there, just like this one, to respond and answer your questions and help you and level up and fine tune. We'll be doing weekly interviews with other industry experts and debriefing some launches and other things. We're just going to share some really cool insights with you that you cannot get anywhere else. And the difference between us and most people is we do this stuff at scale. So we know things because we have access to things that you just can't possibly, because of the nature of your business versus what we do. So click down below. We've tried to make this a no-brainer offer, right? You can test drive this thing for 30 days for $1. $1. Click it in right now. You should already be doing it before I'm even finished saying it. Click it on for $1, 30 days for $1. And if you love it, it just renews for $47 a month, ongoing. And think about it. You can get $47 a month investment and one sale every month pays for this thing for the year, right? You can't lose unless you literally do nothing. Okay, so $1 test drive, $47 a month, that's $470 a year, right? That should be less than one sale for you. If you have a sale that's $5,000, then we are literally 100xing your investment, 10xing your investment over the course of a year. If you do it's simple. It's simple math. Just sign up and do it. If you already know that you want to have access to me, you've just been waiting for something like this, like many of you, I know many of you have been reaching out, how do we get this going? Just sign up. I made it really easy. I'm going to reward you for committing. Click on the link below where we set it up for $297. That's for the full year. We're saving 47% off of the $47 a month. Sign up for it. $297 for the year. If you can't 10x or God forbid 100x the investment of a $297, then you suck or I suck or both. But let's just go for it. You can cancel this thing at any time and you'll stay grandfathered in at that price no matter how much it goes up to, right? Look forward to it. Click it in here. It'll take you straight to the group, and we'll see you on the other side. Can't wait to grow with you and watch what happens in your business as you start to get some more influence, sales, and scales in your business. All right? Talk soon.